Hey, it's Juliet from WTI. Do you have super fine and straight and kind of limp hair like me? And maybe you're looking for something to condition and help, but not weigh it down. That's why I got this Milkshake leave-in conditioner, and I love it. So all you have to do is spray it in your hair. I comb it through afterwards, and then I blow dry. Now, I have not put anything else in my hair. I'm kind of low maintenance when it comes to my hair. I really don't like doing anything at all. So I don't have any other products in my hair other than this. And you can see how it's super shiny. It looks nice. It does not look like it's weighed down at all. It does exactly what it says it's going to do. It conditions your hair. I had previously a lot of split ends, even though I don't have color treated hair and I really don't do anything to my hair. I had a lot of split ends, but I have noticed since I started using this about 2 months ago, it has drastically made a difference. Now, you don't go through a lot either. Like, a number of sprays, and it seems to last a really long time, which is awesome too. So it has an amazing smell. It works really well. It doesn't weigh down your hair, and that's my point of view.